Increase your subconscious powers. Attract the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend on. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. You know, high flyers, I want to share something with you I think is important. My grandparents were wonderful people, salt of the earth kind of people. They were honest. They were hardworking. They were always doing good. And they were broke. Now, don't misunderstand me. I don't mean to imply that you have to do bad in order to have money. I'm not implying that at all. What I'm simply implying is that doing good is doing good. It's the right thing to do. And we all need to be focused in that direction. We all need to be doing good. But doing good alone will not put money in your wallet. Doing good alone will not save your relationship. Doing good alone is not enough. Is not enough. Is not enough. Doing good is what we do because that's who we are. We choose to be good. So let me share this with you. While my grandparents were broke, they were happy. But I'm certain that they longed for money and resources to take trips and to do the kind of things that other people were doing that had money. But they didn't have their subconscious mind in the right place. Your subconscious mind must be in the right place in order to manifest the wealth that you deserve and desire, the love that you crave, and the health that you depend upon. You must have your subconscious mind working in alignment with your conscious dreams and goals. And together, when they are in perfect alignment, high flyers, then you are connecting with the infinite field of potential, the God force energy, and you are bringing down energy that matches what you believe. Now, if you believe you're always going to be poor, you're probably always going to be poor. If you believe that money's hard to come by, then money will always be hard to come by. If you believe you can't have an incredible loving relationship or marriage, then that's the reality that you are manifesting. If you believe your lower back is always going to hurt because you threw it out, that's the reality that you will live with. Your beliefs determine your future, and your beliefs stem from your subconscious mind. So high flyers, you know this to be true. You know that there are some very, very good people in this world that are flat ass broke, that have no money and no future. You know this to be true. You know that there are people in this world who are not the best people in the world, but they have wealth, and they have power, and they have relationships and contacts. And the reason is that their subconscious mind is in harmony with their dreams and goals. They believe that wealth is theirs, that they are worthy of wealth. Say it right now. I am worthy of wealth. You see, it's not about being good or bad. It's about your subconscious mind being in harmony with your dreams and goals, your relationships, your friendships, your health, your healing. with your subconscious mind, when you increase, a huge word, when you increase the power of your subconscious mind, you heal your body from the inside out. You have the ability to increase your intuition. You can improve your memory, attract money more easily with less effort, attract love or even a specific person easily. You can increase creativity, overcome fears and phobias, and you can become the magnetic individual that you always believed you were and are. You can have magnetism that is just unbelievable. And you have, with that magnetism, you'll have the power to motivate large numbers of people in a particular direction. So I'm going to give you some ideas on how you can, right now, today, starting right now, increase your subconscious powers. Number one, surround yourself with positive images. It really doesn't make a difference what your submodality is, whether you are auditory or kinesthetic or visual. Most people are visual. At least 50% of the way they process reality is through their eyes. So think about this. The more you see positive imagery around your home, in your bedroom before you go to bed at night, in your office while you're working, in your shower. Oh yeah, I love the shower. Say it. Oh yeah. It's the one place that you're probably going to be every single day, at least for 5 to 10 minutes. And it's a place where you are wiping away and cleaning away and scrubbing away old negative energy, where you're cleaning your body, where you're invigorating yourself, where you're getting pumped up and getting excited for the next day. You're getting clean. And at the same time, you can be putting positive imagery into your subconscious mind. Put some pictures. Put some positive words. Put the word increase right over your shower head. Oh yeah, love that. Okay, number two, practice creative visualization at least 5 minutes every day. 5 minutes every day. Hey, how about during lunch break? How about during commercials while you're watching television? You can close your eyes and visualize the life that you desire as if it has already manifested. Now, the key to creative visualization, a lot of people won't tell you this, is you must feel it. You must feel it in your body, in your mind, in your heart. You must absolutely feel the experience of the wish fulfilled. In other words, whatever it is you're visualizing, see it clearly, feel it, and embrace it in present tense. 5 minutes a day. Do that 5 minutes a day. It will make a huge, massive difference in your life. So high flyers, how about moving your body every day with some positive thoughts, maybe some shadow boxing? You're taking on your negative thoughts and you're just beating those negative thoughts down and you're thinking positive thoughts. I am attracting wealth and abundance into my life with every breath I take. Whatever works for you, whatever is important to you, but make it a positive I am statement. Next, eat more green foods, eat more salads, eat more vegetables. I'm not saying you can't have fish. I'm not saying you can't have clean meats, but eat a green diet. And number 5, autosuggestion. I am affirmations. Do autosuggestion throughout the day, but increase it at night. I think it's important that you fill your mind with positive I am affirmations. I am wealthy. I am healthy. I am happy. I am positive. I am motivated. I am passionate. It's very, very simple. And as you increase those affirmations or auto-suggestion throughout the day, hey, when you fall asleep at night, this is the one time you want to be filling your mind with positive I am statements. Next, shamanic tapping and release. Extremely powerful. Now, I'm just going to give you a synopsis here today, but you can simply just follow me on this. I am wealthy, healthy, and loved. 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 Bring your hands together, rub them. Oh, yeah. Feel that energy in between your hands. Feel it. If you don't feel it, just know it's there. And I'm making this a beautiful golden ball of light. Bright gold. Oh, it's sparkling gold in my mind. I can see it. I can feel it. It feels so wonderful. It's a beautiful ball of energy. I am healthy, wealthy, and loved. Put it over my head and now breathe it in. Oh, my whole body is just covered in gold. Ah, yeah. Feels absolutely wonderful. And then just seal it with a sign of silence. Now, I'll put the steps in the description. I went through this pretty fast. You might want to go through this a little slower, even have a little meditative music on in the background, and just make this a wonderful meditative experience for you that you do every single day. So finally, high flyers, I think one of the most powerful ways to absolutely increase your subconscious powers is through something that I've been working on most of my life, most of my adult life, and that's Miracle Hypnosis. And Miracle Hypnosis is something you can listen to anytime when you're in a safe environment. You dare not listen to it while you're driving or, using heavy equipment or knives or anything like that. You should be in a relaxed state. The best time to listen to a Miracle Hypnosis audio is as you are falling asleep, because your subconscious mind opens up and it receives this empowering message designed to change your life. I mean, people are literally writing us every day now saying how Miracle Hypnosis is changing their life. You can be one of them. Miracle Hypnosis. Go to miraclehypnosisonline.com/free audio. Get your free audio. There's no obligation. It's an abundance audio. It'll get you started with Miracle Hypnosis, and you can craft and shape and empower your subconscious mind. Okay, use all of these techniques. Increase the power of your subconscious mind to manifest the life that you absolutely deserve and the life that you desire. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye.